Right, I think I've got everything. Got my ladders, vacuum cleaner, gubbins is in there, tubes, got my brush, got my drone, got my cameras in there, got my cam cap. I think I've got everything.
Home point updated.
Right, get filming. All right, see what we got then, shall we?
Home point updated.
Okay, not so bad. Well, I've seen a lot worse. Okay, a bit mess that side. That's how good or bad that is. There's a bit of work that he's doing around the back of his house apparently. Where was it now? Hello there. Yeah, okay, thanks. Thanks for letting me know. I'm on private land here, by the way. Yeah, I'm just looking at the gutter, see what work needs doing to it. I can't get up there very well, so this gives me a good idea what I need to do. Oh, yes. Okay. Right, so decided to pick it out by hand rather than use my electric. I think it'd be probably better that way. You can see there's a lot of build-up of moss on this side. I guess because it's running downhill, I suppose, into the into the actual downpipe itself. Look down the downpipe, make sure it's all clear for him and running as it ought to. Yeah, that seems to be fine. Put it back in there for him. Don't forget to water the plants. Put some detergent on my brush. Right, going to go all the way along with this and I'll bring you back later. Right, just cleaning out the gutter a bit more thoroughly now, just getting some of the black stain off of it. Well, that should make the job look a little bit more complete. There we go. Let that run for a minute or two. That's the gutter's done pretty much, fascias and soffits. And now I've just got to clean the windows. That looks alright, I think. A lot better than it was before. Let's have a look at the gutters. Yep, they're nice and clean. That's okay, that's good. Yep. Good job, good job. Don't look down. Don't look down there. Good job I don't mind heights. It's all good fun, ladies and gentlemen. up here in the gutter. It's all good fun. You know, it keeps me busy, keeps my mind occupied, which is obviously very important. It's one of the reasons why I do it. Just gives me something to do, really. Just fills my day. I earn a bit of money as well, so yep, it's a win-win situation. That's what's important. I just walked under a ladder. I'm not sure if that's good or bad. Probably bad, I think. Right, I think that's pretty clean. All I've got to do now is rinse that off, give the window a bit of a clean, and then I think we're good to give it a rinse, a good old rinse. There's the spider. Okay, now for my next trick. I've got to somehow try and get round the corner. Don't really want to go next door if I can help it. I'm going to try and somehow try and pitch my ladders such a way where I can, without making too much of a mess or something, to try and get a... I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get in there that well, to be honest. Just want to go and have a look. Nothing else really. The ladders are on a bit of a wonk. They don't seem to be too bad, to be honest. I'll do what I can, probably just to scrape some of this muck out. Right. Right, up we go then. Let's try and sort this little problem out. Stay. In no wise way am I any kind of a builder, more of a bodger. But at the end of the day, I think he just wants the gap filled. I think that's probably going to do it, pretty much. That's probably as best as I can do for the guy, to be honest. Just got to wait until it hardens and fills a gap for him. I think that's adequate enough, I think. Yeah. Okay, that's going to be probably weatherproof and watertight, probably, I'd have thought. Yeah. That'll do. Oh dear. Okay, I'll leave it like that, I think. Okay. Good job, I think. This probably could do a lot better mine, but then again, I'm not a craftsman. That'll probably do, I hope. It will stay like that. Please let it stay like that. Right, okay, time is about 6:15. So that was 3 hours and 40 minutes, thereabouts. 3 hours 40 minutes. Didn't cost me hardly anything to clean it. A bit of detergent, that was about it. Rest was just like hard work, really. And I got £100 for that, so 20, 40, 60, 30 pound an hour, thereabouts. So that's not bad, is it? £30 an hour. It's better than working in Tesco's, put it that way. Anyway guys, that's it, end of video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. What's this guy going to be doing then? Or lady even. There we go. Okay, right, thanks for watching guys, take care, bye for now.